Ako po si Paulo Diet, Subli Operator ng LCC Legazpi. Nag-run po yung machine ng 6 days na may total of 32 meters. Ito po yung printer head clean, punas ng capping after head clean, nozzle test, ink system ay tama lang, waste tank disposal every Wednesday, AVR naka 220 volts. Ito naman po yung inks namin, sa left side po yung used and sa right side po yung unused. So dyan po muna nakalagay yung subli paper po namin. Consumable monitoring ng Sayan, magenta, yellow, black, and yung subli paper po. Subli daily output monitoring and subli printer daily checklist.